monster. Let's start it. Start today's stream. Today we have a mission. We have to get this over with. This web page over with. Look how it's looking now. I have made so many changes in this hero section, and then we have the skills, and now I'm fixing the projects. This is the names, and then we have the about me. In the last section is the contact me. So today our goal is to finish this part over here. So I'm thinking something like this, kinda like this. I will use this tags here. I think the name of this elements or tags. I think. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. Let me see. Open my web storm because this is the page that I asked Figma to generate. So Figma generated this, and Figma named these elements here, the visual elements, as tags, I guess. So this is the source code for the web page. So here section, and then let me take a look. I think some projects, cards, content, project description, tags. Look, project tag. So we'll have this tag. Background, color, font, all this good stuff. Border radius. Yeah. Something like this, or more like this because it's simpler. But anyhow, I will keep I have to finish this first. So let's do this. So here I have a card, 2 cards, 3 cards, 1 row, 3 columns. And this is I don't need this. I will keep this open, but I guess my computer will complain about it. Have so many things open. IDEs, JetBrains IDEs are really heavy, really heavy, especially for MacBooks. MacBooks used to be pretty good machines, have a good performance, but not anymore. Nowadays, everything makes this computer start, giving up. So we have to keep light, have to keep less IDs open to save some memory and processor. Let me hold on. Let me take a look at something here because I have to keep track. Nice. Are we live? just a minute. Good. Keep like this. And here we go. I'm all ready. I'm ready. Let me start the timer. Let's do this. So for each card, I have this project item. And inside this project item, I have to add a link. So let me add over here. Link. Right? That will be a string. Yeah. We are good here. So let me go to where? Project section. Where should we go? No. I have to go to constants. Because now, yeah, we have an error here. So link to this project. Close this because I need memory. So the first project is the price. The price is right over here. Save this and paste here. Next one is the Rick Morty app. Everybody has a Rick Morty app. When I say everybody, is everybody my bubble, right? This is my view. Little bubble that I live in as a developer. I like to think everybody's doing the same thing as I, but that's a lie. Because few people are doing this kind of stuff. In the big picture, if we zoom out a little bit from our closed mind or little world, we will see that, yes, we are kind of unique in kind of sense. And at the same time, we are nothing in the big scheme of things. I have to expand more my view, my world view. That's what I have to do. So okay, and now we have links in these cards, and now it's time to go to projects section and start navigating. I think insert. You're in insert mode. Shift. This is the way we navigate it. So we have this project card. I think I have a. Where's my project card? Project content, project image. Oh, I don't have project card 2. Okay, project card 2. Okay. Let me think. I have to create this tag component, a little tag. Let me see. This is what I'm gonna to create right now is the tag. Tag is pretty simple. Composable, private, fun. Tag, right? Project tag. And title. Tags just have a title. And what is tags? Tags are a box, I guess. Yeah, kind of could be a box, a little box. So a modifier here. Let me see how this is created. If they have a size or something. Let me see. The web storm. Tags have a padding, a font size, so they have this padding. 25. Okay, let me do the same thing here. I think Vim has a shortcut for this kind of stuff. Put the text you're editing in the middle of the screen. But I don't know how to do it. So let's go padding. Which padding? 0.25 left. Left and right. 0, 20, 25. SSS RAM. And we have 0.75. Zeros for top and bottom. 0.75. It's a 7. That's good. That's good. That's good. This is the padding. Padding. What else? What else we have? We have font size. Font size of 0. I think this is really small, but that's cool. What the heck? 875? 875. Border radius. Border radius. So, come on, man. Seriously, son. 100 pixels. Come on. 999? That's bullshit. A color, background's okay. I don't give a damn. Border ratios. But now I need to add some color. So let me search for, I think skills, but it's not skill anymore. It's experience. I call experience section, and then we can navigate the paragraphs. Experience icon. No, let me go. Experience card, and we can move to this. I think I will try to now use the mouse. Let's try this. So experience card has this border, and what I want to copy is this thing over here. So we're gonna use VI. I'm doing the right thing. Let's see, VI in. Oh my God. VI close. Oh, that's good. And then I do another. Oh my God. And I do another V here. Nope. Let's try VI. Yeah. So we're doing a yank. Go back to the. Oh my God. What is this? Go back to experience card, not experience. I have to go back to project section, move project tag. This is the place. Border. Let me do Ctrl V. Nope. Let me do a P. That's it. This, but we have to do it. I'm sorry. What I have to do here? A border. I think it's border. The name, right? Border. So now I will have a P, and this is a D. I'm getting A. Solid, border primary, the color. That's good, that's good. I see. But yeah, but first I have to put the text here. And the title. Not title, I could name this value actually. Right? How, oh yeah. How do you do this? Value. Okay, okay. Big G. Big G. Oh, where's my button? It's here. Value. Insert value. And then we can go up, up, up. What I'm doing? Up, 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 down. Serious, this is the way we move? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think this is the way we move using. Because I have this problem moving lines. I want to move fast, but it seems like there's no a nice way to move fast. Project tag. Now let's take a look. How this is looking. Anything changed? Nope. So I guess once again, yeah, my Kobweb is broken. Every time she's always broken. And then I have to delete this. And I have to restart Kobweb. I should drink water instead of this shit, but today I didn't sleep well. It's last night. Like I think I slept 5 hours or so. That's the reason why I'm. Yep. That's ugly. Really, really ugly. Why this is so round? It's because it's 100%. Let me try experience section. Where's the tag? Project section. Is this what I? Yeah, project section. It is. Project tech. You know how to do this. You say go D. Go D. Let me see. What's the problem with this? Links is the 100% border ratios. Radius. Let's change this to 9% of border radius. Which is good. This left padding 25. Let me change this to 1. This top bottom is okay. Let's see. This is the part that I hate the most is layout stuff without just taking out of my head. I have to take things out of my head. Oh, 25, I guess. 25 is too much. 75 is too much. Good tags. I think they're kind of, yeah, they're looking better. So let's give this a gap. Something that I learned from CSS. Gap 1. I think 1 is too much, but let's see. How this is gonna look like. How this is going to look like. No gap. No gap. Why? Oh yeah, I'm adding gap in my into my project tag, but I have to put tag. I would put, yeah, I have to add gap. Oh my god, what I did. What I did. God. It's here. A modifier gap of 1. CSS rem. Let's see, I think 1's too much. I think half. 0, 5, yeah, too much. I think half of it will be enough. Half of this value will be enough. Okay, okay. What do you think? This is good. Just randomly choosing technologies here. I really don't need this. Now it's time to, I guess, go over this. Let me think. Maybe a image will be good. What do you think? I think that they are too tied together. I need more gap between them. A little more gap. Do we have a gap between them? Just add some gap. Gap. 1 CSS RAM. Let me see. They will be more separated. A little more separated. Okay, there. Okay. Here they are? No. Don't see this. Translate. There they are. There they
There
are.
they are.
There they are.
There they are.
There they are. It's not the way I hear Americans saying in the movies. Here they are. Here they are. There they are. There they are. It's not like this. It's different. But that doesn't matter. Let's see. What is missing? What we missing here? We have this over effect here. This card looks better. Maybe we'll do something like this. I can try. I can try to do something like this just to make it look a little nicer, I guess. I want to do something. Let me go and do something like this. So let's do this. Make the cards more like this. Maybe adding some. Yeah, I missed the image. You know what? Doesn't matter. Maybe we'll put some image like this. Where? So many things open right now. Close this one. Closing this. Yeah, you too. I don't want to see you anymore. And maybe I'll add this image over here in the top. because I miss a image. A generic image? Seriously? Let me think, let me think. I don't know. I think this is good enough. Let's create let's put a at the border, right? Around border. Where is the border? Will so projects column or have those grid, and grid is using this card two. Card two. This is the place where we going to add the border. So let's start this. So first of all, we start with the border radius or the radius. It's gonna be border radius. We're gonna be, I think, 50 pixels, I guess. And then we have a border, which is another property where we have to specify the width of 1 pixel. What else? I don't know. Style, solid, and color. Okay. Style, line style will be solid, and the forget it already. Color. We have the color. The color be which color we're talking about? Theme, border, primary. Okay, theme, border, primary. I think. Let's see how this is going to look like. That's horrible. That's horrible. Let's put some. I think still too round. Let's put some 30 pixels. 30 pixels. I want a more square look. I want 20. Let's try 20. 20, and let's put some padding here. Padding. First is the left-right padding. It's going to be left to right will be like 2 CSS RAM, and top will be like half. I don't know if this is gonna be half. Let's put 1 CSS RAM. See how this is going to look like. And I guess there's a lot of text inside this. So, oh, this is looking better. This look better. Much better. Let's see how it's going to look like. Oh. Yeah. Nah, not really. Come on, man. Why are you doing this with me? Oh, we one base 1 project card. That looks awful. It's looking awful. What I don't understand is why when I start making the screen even, look, even thicker, thinner, even thinner. The cards, look, here we are good, good adjustment, pretty good. And then I made the screen even thinner. And the cards try to put three cards in the same place. This is stupid. Oh my god. So I think it's because I'm using this simple column thing. I'm not sure why, how the simple color works. Yeah, this one over here, they look better. Like look. Three and then three and then two and one, right? Same thing here. But look, if you do like something like this, it should not be like this. They shouldn't. I think this three guys over here should also be replaced by a grid, or yeah, everything should be this put inside this simple grid, because I just discovered this simple grid element. It's composable. Simple grid composable. Simple card, and then we have this row. Instead of putting a row, I can replace this with a simple grid. Simple grid. So we do number. We can do base one, nums of num column, the names, and then we're gonna do like something like this. This is how we use this? Let me see it. Actually, yeah. Now I know. This one's wrong. It's num of color. Num of columns. Oh my god. Num of columns base 1, MD3. And comma. And we are good. And we keep the gap. Let me see what's going on. Not what I want, but at least I have this. Oh, this is horrible. Look. Not good. Not good. I have to centralize the text inside this box. Let me put the box. I think box has a content alignment center. Because the elements are, they are change positions. Let's see. Now they are good. Now they look good. And if you do something like this and this, they keep aligned, they keep adjusting. No, not really. Oh, this is horrible. This is horrible. Let me take a look what I'm doing wrong here. I think they should add a view maximum size, I guess. View maximum width with a gap. Let me see. And it will fill the maximum width inside this container because it's looking really, really bad. Failed. Again, Java problem again. Oh man. I have so many problems with this already. I have to ask this in the Discord chat, or I will share this, but not right now. I'm kind of lazy. I don't want to keep asking. Look, now on top of removing the Java heap, I still have to stop. No, I have to stop the Gradle daemon, and then we start over again. Actually, start Kobweb again. Let's see. Kobweb dev environment. I think we're good. nice. Breeze. I think that's good. Project is looking really weird. Nah, let's see. Look. Why? Why you keep three when the size is not good for three? You keep. Why? Why are you doing this? Look. Even small, and then it put three together. Why? Like base is two. I mean, could we something? I think something stupid that I'm doing here. Base mid three. Base large three, mid is two. Let me put this two. Mid is two. Let me see. We are in the mid. Let me see. Two. Keep three. I'm not sure. I don't think this is working. Oh my god. This is the simple cards of tags. Okay. Tags here. No. Simple mid three. And small two. Let me see. Okay, mid three. Small two. Come on, man. Small two. This is a small. Oh my god, this is so weird. This is weird. It's because of my screen size, right? It's not the container size. Let me think. Yeah, this is not adjusting the way I thought it will be. Let me think. Oh, whatever. I think I'll keep the way mid three is good. Maybe I'll change this later. It's looking awful. This is looking awful. Yeah, no. The simple grid is shit. Variant. What is the variant? Let me see. How to use this? Making easy creating common case responsive grids. Okay. I don't understand. Nums of columns. I really don't understand. They have the simple grid for each variant. Large. Nums of columns. Base. What is the default? Okay. Yeah. It's not what I want. It's definitely not what I want. Let me remove the simple grid. Procession. I'll remove simple grid from here. And I will keep the row the way it was, and just remove this entire stuff. Yeah, remove this, change to nothing, keep the gap. Let's see the row. At least they will keep the same size. It will keep the same size. See? Yeah, this is what I want. Kind of, because this is really stupid. Look, this is stupid. Oh my God, this is so stupid. Let me change this. I think small. I have to go over here and say, man, when you're in the small, it's two. You're dumbass. It's two. Let's see if this is gonna work. Not really. I'm not short. I'm not sure. Not short. I'm not sure this is gonna work. Let's see. Yeah, nah, not really. Small is this. This is small. Look. Small is one, right? Mid. Let me see the how many have base. Base is okay, base is one. Small, we don't mid, it's gonna be two. Okay. Base is gonna be, let's say base is gonna be one. I just lost. Base is gonna be one. Mid, small. Don't change anything. Mid's gonna be two. Large, it's gotta be three. Let's see. Or base is gonna be. Let's see. Two. E1. Exactly. Oh, this is work. This work great. Look. Two. Keep two. And now one. Exactly what I want. Exactly what I want. Large. Two. That's good. And three. Good. Amazing. Excellent. Now, I think I want just to this hover effect in the project. Let's see. I will change the background color. That's gonna do in the hover effect. So let me add some hover effect on this card. Right? Just change the back. Yeah, I'm not gonna move anything in the card. Something like this. Look. Maybe we have to change the text as well. Yeah, I want the same effect of this button. So let's first of all, first thing we have to do here is this the card two. So we're going to copy this entire stuff. Modifier. I think it's not cop, it's delete. And you have to go to the project styles, project section, styles, and we have to create a new style over here. I'm using a lot of my mouse, but whatever. Project card 2. Project card 2 style. I'm saying card 2, but Later I will change this names and P. Nice. Oh, P over here. Nice. Oh my god. Control Z. Before P, we have to insert some base actually. And now we are good to go and press the keyboard P and hover. Let's try hover. And we're going to. I don't remember. Well, the first I have to play some music, right? I didn't play any music today. Let me open Spotify and start some music. That's good. It's better. Oh my god. So the first thing I have to do here is close other tabs, find the buttons, and take a look how the buttons change. I think it's the style, right? Button style. This is exactly what I want. And this is the colors. This primary, secondary button has this. So let me see, color, and the border. So cup. Did I change something here? No. Oh, we're gonna do this. A. This is secondary. When we over on this, we're gonna do this exactly thing. We're gonna do a modifier. Oh no. Nope. This is what we're going to do. Change the color, the background. Let me see. This is gonna work. Oh yeah, that's not gonna work because project. Let me yank this. Go to project session. And what we can do here is insert actually, and we can we can just P and P, just P, man. Again, A to modifier. Now we are talking. Let's see how this is going to look like. I think I will mess this up. Oh, this is looking good. What do you think? Are you ready? Are we ready? What do you think? That looks awesome. I think that looks awesome. Let me just now add a cursor, right? Buttons is something like cursor, pointer. Okay. This is in the base. Right down over here, we can add a cursor, pointer. It's the only thing we need. Yeah, I like it. What do you think? I'm hating this, but this project, I will remove this. I would like put some proficiency level here, beginner or something like that. But I'm really liking this. So now, something that I don't know how to do is open links, actually. So this is good. We finished. I think that's about it. That's the best we can get for now. It's good. But we have this issue also here. But I'm not gonna fix this. I'm this arrow. It's not very good. I don't like it too much, but is by the way, I'm removing the arrow when the screen's too small to, and I have my about. Now it's time to add the links, like make the adding the links, right? The redirection. Skills. I think this is good enough. This is good enough. So let's see how we open links in the next tab. Right, because I have to open the projects. I have to open my CV. I have to put the links on my GitHub page. Yeah. Should I add some? They call transition, right? Transition, transform. I have some transformation here. I'm not gonna add this. Seriously, I'm not gonna add any transition, anything, any animation. I just let things like this. I will leave things the way it is. I think that will be. I just have to finish the shit. Let's keep on going. What I have to do now? I like breeze. I really like the way this is looking. What do you think? Should I don't know, man. Maybe I will use the same thing in this. Yeah, I think I will use the same border. Real quick. So my border here is 20 border radius. And I have to do the same on the experience. I call experience in the source code, but outside is not experiences. Border radius. Experience card has 2. So is this the card that we are talking about? Experience card. Let me see. Experience card. Experience session. Experience cards. Experience card. Yeah, let me change to 20 pixels actually. So let's remove this. 20 pixels. Oh, goodbye, my friend. Let me see how this is looking now. It's looking pretty much the same, I guess. Oh my god. So squeeze. Crash. Not a squash. It's not a squash. It's a squeeze. I don't know how to say this in English. I don't know how to. I don't have this. I don't know how to type this in Portuguese. Squeeze. Squash. 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 What's it? Squash. Squeeze. Yeah, I don't need you anymore. Goodbye. Simple stuff. Really, really simple. Not fancy at all. Now, yeah, we have to add some description here, but the next step, I guess, is to add the links, right? I think they're gonna be easier. Let me see how to do this real quick. Is here the place where let me see how he does this. Navigation, header, so we have this navigation stuff, link. Hover, style. Yeah, just add the links. That's what he does. Is link a... Yeah, I think that's good. That's about right. But how I add some click inside my card? I don't know. Okay, maybe. Let me open this. Website, no article, website, land page. I could add another project that I could use is my own website here as one of my projects. This is a same thing, same description. The app consumes data from the unflash. Oh, this is the really bad description actually. I mean, breeze app to chill out with beautiful wave. I would put this one over here. You know what I mean? I think this sounds better than the current description. So let me this is a simple let me remove this part. Do this, you know, app to chill out, seeing beautiful photos. That's what the app consumes. Let's see how this is gonna look like. Yeah, what I'm thinking is the size. So let me see what's going on here in the card, because look, I think the tag should be added, should be fixed in the bottom of the card to look better. I mean, let me change this real quick. We have where are we? Project section. Fill maximum width. This is a row. It's a column. Every column. Okay, we have a row. Project tag. Okay. Which is does. It's okay. Sorry. Let's go. Film maximal size. Film maximal size. Let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen if I film maximal size. Yeah, nothing is. Oh my god. All things happen. So film maximum size for the project card doesn't really matter. Okay, but we have this row. I think this is good. Fill maximum width. I could do fill maximum size over here as well. Fill maximum size. It's doing just fill maximum width, but I want the maximum size as well. In this row, the tags. Oh, this is tags. Tags doesn't matter. Really. Yeah, maximum width is good enough. The problem is that this guy has no height, but now he does. But I want to keep the way it is, like there's two guys over here. But this dude should go to the bottom. Okay, should go to the bottom. How I'm going to do this? And I'll fix this guy in the bottom. Let me see. Yeah, he can fit maximum size. Do it. Fit maximum size. This row, and then let me change this real quick. Oh, here we go. Fill maximum size. And now we have go and content. I think content arrangement or alignment. Content and alignment, horizontal, vertical. Let me see. It's vertical alignment. Alignment, bottom. Let me see. Because they are filling maximum size, and they go to the bottom. I'm amazing. I'm amazing. Amazing. This is what I want. Let's. Hey, where's my? That's good. Next step is, as I was doing, was, click the click button. Keep focus. What's the thing that people say they have? TDH? TDAD. Yeah, this is Portuguese version, right? Search only. Include results. TDA. Is this? Nah, this is Portuguese version. Let me see. In English, what is the term in English? Same term. HAD. Like. Yeah. I only know the Portuguese version. But maybe I had this shit. Maybe. Everybody has, right? Not everybody, but a lot of people does have this HAD. style. A-T-A-D. It's not this. H-A-T-A-D. It's not this. Whatever. Okay. What I was doing, now I remember. I want to add some clicking in my components. So let me take a look. Where should I go here? Components, sections, header, nope. I think pages, no. Main section has a menu item or a component that has some click. I have some click there. Let's see, shorter, simple grid. Let's see how he does this. It's pretty simple, actually. I believe it is really simple. Social bar has the click. Yeah. Social bar has a link. Oh my god. How you do this? Everything's a link. Yeah, I guess footer. Let me see footer. Footer is also a link. Because I just want to add the click. Event. But I'm not sure how is the best way to do it. Home. Let me just CLI. CLI has some clicking, some source, video. We have a video. This is good. CTA. Call to action. Same thing. CTA grid item. Let me see the CTA grid item. Where this is anchor. So I have an anchor element. I have an anchor. What is? Look, it's using anchor element. Should I add an anchor on top of my column? It seems the CTA grid style, all the styling goes to this anchor thing. Let me see. Anchor. It does anchor. Oh, we have it. And we have attributes just also. Project card. Let me see. Should I replace everything inside here with the anchor? I'm not sure. Let me see. Let me select. Let me try this. VA. Is this better? Almost what I want. Let me try another type. Let's try like this. Can do like this. Almost, right? This is more like it. What I want. I want to do D. I want to add this here. D. Instead of using the modifier here, I will add the modifier here. I think we are good. Yeah, we can call this to attributes. Href anything with some attributes. Let's take a look. Just to see how this is going. Oh, this is horrible. Kind of. Change everything. Is this good? Underline. I think we have to remove the underline stuff. Underline, text, underline. Text decoration line or something. Decorate text decoration line, and you will use none. Let me see. Now I have no idea if this is the same stuff. Look, this is just changed again. This is back again to the same place. I changed this already. I had changed this. I think it's because now, yeah, I changed this already because this should be fill maximum size. Yeah. Let me do this one more time. Seriously. Column should have a modifier. Let me modify this again. Fill maximum size. Now this should fix this. Nice. Let's see. Anchor. How this will change. So oh, nice. Project. The anchor will be project item link. Let's see. Now we are talking. Click. Oh my goodness. Click. It's working. Now it is working. And then you click in the last one. Yeah, we have an anchor component. It's a composable. Really nice. This is the way we add links, anchors. Yeah, this is the best way to learn HTML and CSS. Not using it. Just using a framework instead of using the real thing. Okay, now we have the links working here. Let me add more anchors. I guess these buttons over here, they're already links, so this is gonna be easier. Let me see. Where should go? Let me remember. Too loud. Let me see. Where are we? Let me remember, man. It's the hero section, right? Hero or about me. I think it's hero section. We have some links there. Let me navigate using real section. It's here. links, a bunch of links. Is this social media links? This is LinkedIn. Good. Path. Open the new tab. This is the place. But how I add this path? Let me take a look at the project there. No. The original project. How does this dude here? Use links, navigation. So yeah, just add the entire link, pretty much. So let me go to my LinkedIn, grab my Will. This bank is done. But I have to, oh yeah, my profile. Yes. So LinkedIn is this. I should put this in a constant, but I will ask Claude to do this later because I don't want to do it. This one is social links. Which one is this? Oh, my GitHub. Let's go over here. Profile. I think this is my home, right? Nope. Is this my home? Profile. With this. Good. And we are done. Let me see if this is gonna work. LinkedIn. Good. GitHub. Even better. Close everything. Squeeze. Okay, links are working. Now I have to understand how to do this download CV because I have to upload my CV somewhere. This also is something I don't know how to do. I'll take a look in this later. And so far so good. Now let's change some description here. I'm not gonna put the years. Skills level. Skills level. That's what I want. Something like this, Master, beginner, intermediate. Yes, exactly what I want. Professional, advanced, intermediate, advanced, professional, master. I think master is too much. Master is overkill. Let me see. Expert. I like this one. Average, skilled, specialist, expert. We can do a mix of those two stuff, right? Instead of, okay, let's use this instead of 12 years. 12 years already expert. I'm a freaking expert in Android. Come on. That's pretty tough to be. I like to say specialist. I think specialist is better. I don't feel like expert in anything because Android is huge. It's a lot of stuff in Android. So when you say you expert in something, sounds like you're master everything. You should master in Android. So I would not gonna do expert, specialist. So let me add this. How to say this? How to write this? Specialist. Same thing. Specialist. is, come on, man. Come on, man. Portuguese. Is specialist. Android. Compose. What are your level in compose? I think we're gonna be advanced. Professional. Professional, advanced. I'll do advanced. Advanced is pretty good. Advanced. Also advanced. iOS. Intermediate. I would say intermediate. What your level in Golang? Yes. Average. Beginner. I think Golang I would do beginner. It's beginner. Intermediate. Intermediate. Also, because I did a bunch of stuff, man. I did service and events. I work with mood threading, not mood threading, but concurrency using Go. How they call it? Go routines. Yes, come on, man. I did a bunch of stuff. I Dockerized my Golang application. Come on. And this for sure beginner. Beginner. How to say how to write this? Beginner. That's how that's going to look like. Advanced, specialist, intermediate, and a beginner. Good. Now here we have to put some description. Oh, this is so boring. How to... Should I put the years that I work with this? I don't know what I have to... How I'm going to sound my descriptions. Because usually the skills, they have no description. They have just the skills here. Actually, no description at all. I've been working with Android for 12 years. I can ask ChatGPT to generate this stuff for me, right? Short about I don't know. Yeah. Let me do this. ChatGPT over here. Okay. Based on your knowledge based on your knowledge about my skills with Android, give me a summary, a short summary of my skill level. Give me a short description summary. I will use this. I will use this as a description on my portfolio website. Pretty short. Keep simple. Keep it. I think it's keep it simple. Simple. I have to learn how to type. This is good for practice. It's too much, too large, my man. Shorter, shorter. Too much. I'm an experienced Android developer with a strong focus on Kotlin, Java, Compose, modern app architecture. Oh, whatever. I'm seasoned mobile software engineer with 12 years of experience, specializing in native Android development. Yeah, this is true. This is totally true. I have strong experience more than Android. It's too much to tell me if you prefer tone or shorter and more Android focused. I'm an experienced Android developer with strong focus on Kotlin, Java, Compose, and modern app architecture. Yeah, this is good. This is well Kotlin. Let's do this. Let me see if this is good. Android description. Let's take a look how this is going to look like here. Okay. Yeah, I like it. Sounds good. Let's do let me tell ChatGPT. So I liked this version. Do the same for Kotlin multi. Some people say multi-platform, but I say multi-platform. Platform. Shorter. Shorter. Keep it shorter, my man. I work with shared business logic across desktop apps, building scalable across. Let me see. Logic across Android iOS solutions. That's looking good. Build scalable cross-platform solutions. It's generic, but I work with Kotlin multi-platform to share business logic across Android, iOS, and desktop apps. Yeah, ChatGPT knows everything about me. That's true. Apps building scalable cross-platform solutions, motherfuckers. Oh, this is Compose. Let me change this. Should I change Compose? Because it's kind of pretty much the same, actually. Oh, let me select this using yank, and then we go over here and we do change, and we do save this. This is good. Compose. Now, no, not this. Now, do the same for Compose. Platform. Now, do the same. Build cross-platform UIs with Compose. Target iOS from sharing UI. You get this wrong. Sharing UI. But let's go ahead and just use sharing. I don't like the description at all. I build a cross-platform UI with Compose about targeting the iOS. And and desktop from a shared code base. Oh, this is good. Shared code base. I like it. I like it. Build cross-platform UIs with Compose multi-platform, targeting Android, iOS desktop from a shared code base. Nice, nice, nice. I don't know if ChatGPT knows anything about my skills level on iOS. Let's go iOS. Let's see. This is for iOS development. Do the same for iOS native development. Come on, man. Development. I developed native iOS apps using Swift with focus on clean architecture, high quality user experience. This is pretty bad. Try again, but try again. Try again, but this time focus on Swift UI and view code. I think this view code pattern. Swift UI. Let's see. I built native as view code pattern, focus on clean architecture and maintainable UI code. With natives yeah. Nah, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. So try again. But that's true. I built native. I didn't build any. My skills on iOS are more related to creating specific native components and native integrations with shared code bases. Try something like this. Got it. Build native components and integration using SwiftUI. Focus on bridging shared code-based platform-specific features. Native iOS components. That's pretty good. So iOS intermediate, because that's true. That's the reality. Most of my knowledge about iOS is sharing features, platform-specific feature. That's amazing. Let me see. I build iOS components and integrations using SwiftUI, focus on bridging shared code base and platform-specific features. Yes, sir. Do this for Golang. Good. Do the same for Golang. Now it's time to shine. Services in Golang, focus on API, database, scalable, server-side architecture. Databases, yes. I have some. Should I put a database here? Because I have more skills. Like I know. I don't know. I'm keep short. Keep like this. Build backend services in Golang, focus on APIs, database. Mention. I think you should mention. I think you should mention goal routines as well, because you remember that I work. I ask you. Ask, I have. I think it's like this. I have asked you a lot of questions regarding sever sent events with routines. Come on, man. You motherfucker. About backend services using routines for concurrence or real-time features like server-side events with focus on scalable APIs databases. Oh my god, love it. That's pretty good. This is the API database. Oh. I got that wrong. Change. Yeah. The last one. The last one is Kobweb. The Kotlin framework which I am currently using to build my first website. Oh, nice. Here's a short version. I built using Kobweb, leveraging Compose Web and Compose for Web for creating modern type safety UIs. Motherfucker, that's pretty good. Jesus, love it. Change. That's it. I built websites, not websites. I built this website. Look, let's put some personal tone. This website using Kobweb. No one's gonna even read this, but doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter. Oh my god, what's going on here? What's going on? Oh yeah, this is good. This is nice. I build websites. Yes. Now we have all the descriptions going. Hi, I'm the no-art coder. Nice to meet you. I don't really like this, but let's ignore this for now. I need to get this over with. I need it. So links are working. The last part is this form. Oh yeah, I have to also add I will add something like this. Let me show you real quick. Kobweb has this thing over here. Kobweb. I wanna do the same. Right over here. I will do this later. So next step is forms. How to work with forms in Kobweb. I know that we have a course that teaches us how to do this. A nice beard. Nice beard. My learning. Kobweb. It's this? Is this? Oh yeah. Submit email. Create a form. So, action. Now, let me pause this real quick. I'm not sure if I can do. I'm allowed to do this.
Okay, so in this video, we are going to handle sending an email address from this contact form. Now, before we start with that, there is just one more thing which I want to add in our code. So as you can see, on each and every input field, I have specified the ID. And the reason for that is because we need to connect each label with the corresponding input field. So here you can see that each...
Yeah, I think I already did this. Let me see my form. Is a hero session. No, it's not hero session. It's contact form. And this is a style. Contact section. And contact form. Label. I have no idea. From form label. Okay. So input. We have input name. Have an ID. Input email. Does this has ID? Oh yes. And we have the input message. Everybody label for, so label is connected to this text area. This label is connected to this input, and this label is connected to this input. This check.
Label contains one additional attribute which is called for ID. And here, for ID, we need to specify the
yeah, I already did this.
It passes that focus on its associated ID attribute on a label. You will see that for attribute is used to associate the label with a control element as defined in the description of the label in the HTML 4.01. And this implies, among other things, that when the label element receives the focus, it passes that focus on its associated control label. So I just uncomment that one down below as well. There you go. And the last thing, let me show you how you can actually send an email from this contact form to your own email address. Now, for that purpose, I'm going to use
one
platform, which is called a form spree. And with this platform, we will be able to easily send an email to our own email address by specifying this action on our form. Now, in most cases, when you're working on a web application, you would want to send that action to your own backend server and handle sending that email address by yourself. However, since this is actually a front-end project and not a backend project, the easiest way to implement this feature is to use those kind of platforms like the form spree. So the only thing that you need to do here is to actually sign in with your own account. Okay, so once you log in here with your own account, then just go to this integration panel, and you will see that now you're going to receive here your own form endpoint. Just copy this link, open up your project, and here as a form action, just paste that same link, okay?
Okay.
And now we also need to add one more thing. So as you can see in this documentation here, we can see that the method post is required. So let's just go back to specify that the method post in our project. I'm going to use this same attribute modifier right here. So just specify here attributes. So modifier to attributes, and here call attribute modifier. As an attribute specify a method, and as a value specify post. And now after that, open up our web application or our website, and we are going to try to actually send an email to ourselves. So
how?
First go back to our website. So after you create your account here, you may want to here first create a new project, okay? So new form or a new project. In this case, I have created here a new form, and within that form, you need to apply some settings, like for example, the actual email address to which you want to send.
Got it. Okay. I'm not gonna do this right now, but that's simple, really simple. Let's keep this. The next thing I want to do here is upload my CV. How to do that? Let me first go to YouTube. I hope my YouTube is not showing. Yes, my YouTube is good. And I will take a look at the original tutorial. It's how the guy on mobile navigation, desktop, profile. This is profile, I guess. Profile.
BTN.
Pick. How does open assets? Okay, has some click. Window open. Look right over there. Has some click. Yeah. So window open.
if that showed just the resume, and there we go. So let's check if that showed up and is working. We have, let's see, where's the button? Basically saying,
Okay, you have this window open. Does okay, you know what? How do we? Okay, let me ask Claude how to implement. Really, real quick, Claude. I don't know if you know about this, but maybe you know. Maybe you know, Claude. Yes, start. Some song. Claude song. What is this? Please, oh my god, what is this? Help improve Claude. New terms. Allow users chat coding session to train improve Anthropic AI models. You can change this anytime. Accept terms. I don't want you training shit with my code. You motherfuckers. You want to take my job and to use to train your. Oh, of course they are already doing this, but doesn't matter. Okay, my question is how would the best take a look to my project at my project or to my project. Take a look at my project or to my project in my project. Never know. Take a look at this project and this in this or on this on at this project and tell me the best way to implement the Windows, the window open some asset when the user clicks on the CV button in the hero section. Play mode, because I don't know how to do it and I don't think this guy does this. Let me take a look at that documentation as well. Open page, exporting, and first search, open, window, open, two windows, window. Kobweb services. Application root. Exporting. I need water. What is Kobweb? Getting started. This documentation. We should have examples, right? How to do stuff in Kobweb. Because here we don't have any example open files. Let's see. Well, yes, man. Yes. Come on. I have to improve the setup for my Claude. Letting some readme files for Claude to understand my project. more effective. But this is a whole different thing, a whole different subject to learn. That's the problem with AI. You have to learn how to use it. It's not that simple. To use more effective, efficient. To use more efficient. I just wanted to download my CV. And yeah, I think I have a version of my CV somewhere in my desktop resume. Yeah, I think I do have. Let me search for downloads. Oh, do we have some search here? Resume. I think this is the name. No, I don't have it. Let's see. Oh, I have a CV. I already have it. Open the new tab. Yes. I put a bunch of questions. I think I can use this just window open.
In the whole web page, and we're gonna open, and we're gonna write these colons. We're gonna write dot slash
Assets.
See, VS Code already suggests. Click this.
I believe this is gonna.
Slash,
I can do the same thing.
resume. Suggest the resume, and there we go.
Let me see. He adds in the assets. Do I have an assets? Public. Maybe dots the public, right? Let me put this on. I'm sure. What cloud gonna tell me? Let's tell me what's going on, Claude. Add the CV, public assets, public CV. Okay. CV. Text download blank. Window open. Seriously, my man. Oh, it's easy as hell. Let's see, where's my CV here? Where's my CV? I do have a CV here, man. It's not possible I don't have a CV somewhere here. CV. Because actually my CV is outdated. I'll grab a good CV here. Drive. I have to open my drive. I never know what I have in my drive. So it's better not to show. Right? Keep hiding things. Drive. My drive. My CV is called Paul Resume. Is this version? It is. Yeah, I have to change something here. Pretty quick, actually. April 24. Okay. July 2024. So yeah. Look, I will change this already because what I'm doing in my resume, I mean, Something has to change here. Yes, yes. Oh my god. Are we good? Are we good? I think my resume is fine. It's not looking that good, but 10 years. So I here I mentioned this is my resume, by the way. Here I mentioned that I've experienced approximately 10 years, which have focused on native experience. But yeah, let me make the. I started. Oh, for goodness sake, could I make it a bang? This song so good. So I don't know if this makes sense. 18. I started 12. We are 12, and we are in the 26. 26, right? Yeah, this is about right. This is about right. 10 years. I'll let like this. I don't care. It's too much. Too much information. Right now I'm working at Ambush since 2024. I removed one company from my resume because everybody, when you worked like for less than 1 year in a company, less than 1 year, just remove. Just get rid of that company from your resume. Get rid of. Because man, is people would talk too much. They will ask you about why, the reason, and yada yada yada. So just remove that shit from your resume. Okay. Now we are good. I may download this PDF. Copy this and add to my resources right over here. I'm gonna rename this. Yeah. CV. It's better. And then we go on the hero section. Is hero section or is hero section? I have two hero sections. I have to rename this stuff. This is the button. Look. All this back and forth just to do something like this. Windows. Do we have access to this Windows stuff? Okay. Open. And how is the open? Just CV PDF, and then blank. Target blank. I don't know what this target means. Open. Let me see. Open is the browser API for open your eyes. First parameter. Second parameter blank opens a new tab. Returns nullable window, which but we don't need to handle this return value. Yeah. Let's see if this is gonna work. Let's see. About. And then you go over here. Oh, Oh, this is my resume. Education. What's the name? Industrial College. CTA. CTA. No, CTI. I think CTI. The school, the technical school where I study. I have studied. So this is my professional experience, my mans. Oh, this is softer skill, communicate meetings. I have to add this to my self-learning, leadership, adaptability, honors, view, work under pressure. Yeah, hard skills. I have to. Why have I put the objective C there, man? Oh my God, this is Jesus Christ. Objective C sucks. Should let just Swift, but doesn't matter. Yeah, this is my professional resume. It's really, really fine. So these links are working. The last thing is contact info. What is contact info? That's a really good question. What I put over here, I just copy and paste the stuff this dude was doing, but I don't know what contact info does, because think about it. I already have this contact me. Why I should I have a single button here? Like contact info. What this does? What this does? Let me think. Contact info. I have no idea. Skills. Because oh yeah, I have one example here. No, I'm not gonna, because I'm thinking this button should open my email or something. This should open my email, right? Yes. Let me see what this guy does in the contact info.
So let's check if that showed up. So downloads, great.
It's great.
Here we're gonna leave everything in the class as is. Rep and hashed our website to the contact section of ARM, the person to the contact section of ARM website.
Yeah. No, this is stupid. Okay, that's what he does.
We see that hopefully when we click this button, it's gonna update the URL.
Yeah. About. It is not updating. No. Contact. Okay. Let me. Yeah, that's really stupid. Contact info is really stupid. Let me take a look. What does this guy, how he handle this? Does this guy has a contact info? Oh yeah, I want something like this. Okay, ignore some link like the email. So should I add my, oh my God, Nord code email, not my personal email? Because this form is already doing this, right? Oh my God. Let me see. Okay. My resume. I will do one button. I think this is better. One button. Look, this guy has. Oh, this. Oh, why, the his version is like this? Okay, one button, like this. Because I don't need contact info. I already has the contact me. But my version will be ugly. Let me see. Let me see for how this is going to look like when a single button. Is this? No, 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 no. This. Just remove this. Is this gonna look ugly? It does, right? It does. I'll let this. I have to keep like this. Come on. Row, yeah. Top, bottom. Let's see. Do we have some gap between these two elements? This is the row top. But some a little more. How about a little more space? My resume. Yeah, I like this. My resume. Be nice. My resume. I guess this is lowercase. Not lowercase. Camel case. What do you think? Is this good? It's a single button. This is not looking good, right? Single button. Two buttons were really good. Or a single buttons. I think one button's okay. I guess. I don't know. What do you think? It's okay. It's okay. Okay, we remove that contact info because it's redundant. Because we already have this email stuff. So yeah, we are done there. Next step. We need to add the Kobweb logo. Let me see how the guy did this. He didn't mention. His version is neat because he has this icons here. Look, it has some over effect, some scaling, transitions. Pretty good. I don't like this change on the cursor. I don't like it, but it's okay. I like this, pretty nice, but it's like just to tell the user to scroll down because he doesn't have a navigation. Okay. This is good. I think that's it. I like the projects. I really liked this simpler project card. Skills kind of over, but it's okay. Advanced, specialist, intermediate, beginner. Cool. Let's make this better. So this is time for the bottom of bar. Bottom of bar has some links. So this is the bottom of the bar. Contact form. Contact form is huge. Oh, this is contact form. Okay. Contact section. So here we have contact form. I have this. Okay. In the middle. I like Kobweb the way it is. I think copyright. Okay, I can do something like this. This text is. Oh my god. One. Already have a column here. Image. Source. Icons. Let me see. Where is the icons? Nope. All the icons are spread to the project in strings, and I should go but put all the item names on Kobweb. Let me see the size. Let me see the size that I. Where's this experience? I call experience section. Okay, experience icons, experience item, a constant, experience icon, Kobweb, icon height, okay. Contact section. Okay, let me add some width and height. Kobweb, is this the name? Kobweb PNG. Kobweb PNG. PNG. It's up here. It should appear right over here. If this is not gonna, the build already failed. So I will complain about this later. Stop. No diamonds running. Okay, kill. Try again. Let me. No, I don't want you to do nothing. Nothing. Clean. Exit. Exit. Catch up later. Thank you. I have to go to the bathroom. We're almost done. We are almost done. Is this running? Is this running? It is. Let me put some attributes in this image. Attributes. Is this image has modifier? Yes. Modifier. I think it's box something sizing. It's box sizing. No, it's not box sizing. Something is content. Content. I remember, man. Let me see. I don't remember. Go to where? Where should we go? I think hero session. Hero session's good. Oh my god. No, hero session. We have the image hero image container, and then we have this. Have GD. Go D. And we have this object fit. This is the name. Object fit. Oh my god. Object fit. Object fit. Scale down. Dun, 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 too huge. Let me see the size of this image. It's too huge. Huge. It's okay. It's not that big. I think it's because we have this. Yeah, I think. So let me remove the margin bottom. Does this image has margin automatically? Let me see. Oh my god. Margin 0 pixels. Nope. Where is this came from? Oh, I know where this came from. From the gap between elements there. Okay. So we don't need to. This is not necessary. Unnecessary. Change this. And the gap. Oh no. 1. The 2 spread apart. I don't like the size. Let me put this like 100 and 52. I don't know. Let's try 90 width, because I like the height. I think the problem is in the this is good, but the gap. Okay, we have nav bar as a column there. Yeah, I don't like the gap. So what we're gonna do here is fill maximum width. Let me think this. We are filling the maximum width. The contact form. Do we have some space? Let me see. Oh yeah, it was huge gap here. Okay, that's good. Let's fill maximum size first. Fill maximum size for this box. See what we got. This is gonna fill maximum size. That's part over here. Okay, Now we're gonna remove the gaps because I don't want to use gaps anymore. Okay. Box. Now bottom. Center horizontally. This is alignment. How about the alignment? Vertical alignment. Alignment. Vertical arrangement. Arrangement. Top. That's what I want. Top. You should go to the top. Come on, man. Let's go. Okay, that's not looking good. Fill maximum size. It's not what I want, but yeah, okay. Now let me add a spacer here. Center horizontally. Top. Scale down. So does we have a margin? Oh man, just remove this with some 0.5. Yeah. It's not working. Fill maximum width. Column. Column. Is this? I think this should also be fill maximum size. Fill maximum size. This column over here. Same thing. Font size. I don't know, man. 0.5 says SRAM. Oh my god. 1 SRAM. On 75. 0.75. But 8. Yeah, remove this. Gap. Remove this. It's column, header. Oh my god. Okay, he has a gap. I don't want a gap. Remove the gap. Now we are talking. Now we are talking. I don't want this gap. But I do want yeah, you should have some I'm thinking. Yeah, we should have some space between. But this should yeah, that should be add through yeah. And we have some modifier here. Is this a modifier? So let me add some modifier here. Modifier Okay. We have, okay, we already have this. Okay, that's good, that's good. Let me. Now it's time to add a margin, top, modifier, margin. Yeah, I think it's a margin, top. I don't know, 2 SSM, like from here. Let's see how this is going to look like. A little more, a little more, a little more. Just 4. Contact. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah. But now we need, okay, bottom, let me see, top, bottom, margin, top, bottom. This also going to be dragged down. Let's go, man, let's go. Seriously? I don't believe this. Worker every time, guys, every single time. Guys, what the heck is going on? Every time. Let me take a print screen of this. Every time. Because I will send this, complaining about this to the dudes from Kobweb. Diamond, I have to stop diamond, and I have to run it again every single time. 11 a.m. Are good? Are we good? I don't know if I like this. Seriously, I don't know if I like this. This one, I like it. You know. Do you like this? Like this. Quite honest, not sure. Let me see how it does look like here. Open source. I want to see how to do this. Look, this kind of stuff. It's gonna be nice. Not right now. My version, I think his version's way. Let me 80. Let me put some 80 there. Nice. And the last thing, font size is good. The only thing that is remaining here is that why have spacer? Why are we not touching the ground? I think it's because I have some padding in the page, entire page. Let me make sure. Let me see. Why we are not touching the ground? Where this is in this portion over here. Yeah, we have some padding, view maximum size, contact. Let me see. What is this? Outline box, page section. Yeah, page section has a padding. Don't let me touch the entire page, unfortunately. Yeah, I need a little more. This is not looking good. So what am I gonna do here? Oh my god, just hold on a minute. I have to pee. I have to pee. Let's go. Let's go. So what I'm gonna do here is pretty simple, actually. I'm not gonna use this margin. I'm going to it's not here. Only top. It's just only top margin, and here instead of let me think, because I want to use a spacer here, you know. Between these two elements. Let's see, let me see. I don't know. Let me check this. Let me see, spacer. Put everybody down. And here in this bottom nav bar, do we have a gap? Do we have? Oh yeah, we have a gap here. Let me add some modifier here. Optional modifier. So I don't have to make any change. Bottom of bar. In this bottom of bar, let me see. It's looking good. It's not looking. I don't know. I don't like this. I wish I could go down, all the way down. At least here. Kobweb has. Should we add some link here? I think this is an image link or something. Let me see if this version has a Kobweb. Yes, click. It has. Look. Let me take a look how he handled this. Navbar, two tip is none of bars footer. I think it's a link. Span text. Logo. Listening. Logo. Let me see. Widgets. I think this could be a widget. Code. Docs. Yeah. I'm avoiding download this project locally, but I think I should do it. Be easier to find stuff. Let me see. Logo. Do we have any logo here? Nope. Let's go to again footer. I think logo's here. Yeah, it's already here. Logo is a image inside a box. Okay. This page was built using Kobweb. Let me see another example, man. Zoom. Power bike. Yeah, I wanted this thing called Power Bike. Let's see. Is this in someplace? Nope. How about us? Yeah. Nope. Feedback. No. Discover gloves. Jesus Christ. Build. Sometimes I complain about my skills level, but some people want, Jesus Christ, education, employments. Jesus Christ, it's horrible. Power by Kobweb. Yeah. I rather take a cleaner. Yeah. Kobweb. Maybe I put, yeah. Power by. Should have had the powered by web build with website. Yeah, come on, man. I already mentioned Kobweb here, man. I already mentioned. I don't need to add Kobweb here. This is amazing. Contact. You can download my resume, motherflux. I like this Kobweb logo there, but I already mentioned this is a beginner, intermediate, advanced. Specialist. No art code. Nice to meet you. I never said, never mentioned my name about me. I'm over 14 years experienced in which you can, and then you can see my name here. That's good. Power byte. Let's see another examples. Because I'm wondering if I should mention this. What is this? Okay, I want to showcase. Da, 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 da. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? This website is open source, written using Kobweb. Yeah, I want something like this. This is good. This is good. Open source. Let me see this open source stuff. Yeah. Let me put this dark. Dark's better. I like this. I like this. I like this. Pretty simple. Experience. Look. No novice. Proficient. She's a Swift iOS developer with plus 5 years plus of experience. Like it. That's really good. Really, really good. I love it. Tchau, lindão. Bom divertimento. Have fun. I love it. I love this. Keep track of favorite TV shows and movies. Lucky. Clean, straightforward UI. Under means so visual assets. I like. You should. Let me start this. Here's sponsor. Boom, 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 boom. Is this GitHub page? I don't think so. Really good, really good. Stay low. Oh, his version is so much better. I love this version. I love it. Look, this website's good. This website's open source written using Kobweb. Boom, bop, boom, bum. And then boom, bop, boom. Copyright. North. All rights reserved. You see how he does this site. The screenshots good. Let's take a look at section, experience, main section. Let's see, I think could be composables. Footer. Take a look at the footer. Footer. So footer text. Where's this component? Footer link variant. Footer text. So span text. Text modifier. Current year. Oh, this is footer text. Okay. They have another thing there. Span. Oh, this is the way we do it. I love it. Span. I love it, man. I love this. Spam. Image. I would do like this. I'm sorry. I think this is gonna look better. Spam. And then we can link. I just element. Constants. Open. Footer variant. Footer link variant. Let me see what footer link variant. How footer link variant looks like. Footer link variant, edited variant, link style. I have no idea what that means. Yeah, I don't wanna see variant link. Change. Oh my god, what I'm doing. Separate just this. This is the website. Oh, website URL. No, open source. No website URL. Here, GitHub. Okay. I have to go to my GitHub first. Profile. Kobweb. landing page, no article, website. Yeah, I have to change this. Next. I want to do this. Website. It's not gonna URL. No. Website. GitHub. URL. Let's just contact section. This is good. Open source, and then Kobweb. Go to definition. Go to definition. Oh my god. Go to definition. Oh, next line. Const Kobweb website. And then we just go over here. Copy this. And we are good. Footer. Text. Why this is a footer text? Let me see what he does in this footer text. Why has a footer text? Footer text. So gray. Yeah, all this. Color secondary. Yeah, we're gonna use a text as well. Span text. Let me change this to span text. Okay. Span text. Let me take a look. How this is looking like right now. Is looking awful. Can I add some modifier here? Let me see. This entire stuff. Let me see. Yeah, modifier. We can do this. We're good. Size. We can do size. We can do color. Theme. Text secondary. Good size. And we can do 2 attributes. Let's see if this is going to cascade to all links. Yes. Nice. Let me take a look at this span text link. So link has a variant. Those websites build. See how it looks like. Yeah, he does much better. Much better job. Oh, this version's so much cooler. I want to change my version as well. I'm not sure where to put this website. No, no. Oh, that's good. Looks good. But bar has huge space. I like this. I'm thinking, let me think. Yeah, I don't know if I'm a fan of this. It has a variant on this in this links. Footer link variant. Footer link variant. Base. Prefers reduction motion. It has this gray stuff here. So it has the decoration none. Hover. Decoration link none. Relative. And I think it adds CSS rule of media hover. So it has this hover effect and all this good stuff here. Which I cannot do it. So text decoration line none. Hover. Hover. Should I add my again? Repeat my links again? Much better. Simpler. Space. Put some space there, man. Put some space. Yeah, I wanna put some space. Experience, man. Come on. Contact section. Put some space here. Wire margin. Top, bottom. Put some one. Give me some space, motherfuckers. Is this good? I don't think so. I want to add something like this. Yeah. Let me take a look at navbar, bottom links, hover. Modify some more hover. I want a text decoration. Underline hover. Link. Okay. Font size. The font size is too huge. Huh? No. Tô terminando. Tô indo. Just just a little bit. Just a last change. Last change. My wife is already calling me to dinner. To dinner, no, to lunch. Lunch. This is the change that I want, but I want in this links over here. Oh yeah, I will add the same effect in these links. This something like this, you know, instead of this color. I think that would be nice. I really don't like it. I really don't like it, but yeah. And I think this over here should be bigger. I don't know. This website is open source. Yeah, I'm not sure. If this should be the case. Should be the link navigation links here.